Good afternoon, Prof. This is Overhaul Dealers, well, Overhaul Successes. That's the group name. We're the owners of Overhaul Dealers. We specialize with cars, well, the sales part of the cars. Anyway, you had requested for a list of our names, so I hope that this satisfied the first requirement. So without wasting any further time, let's just dive straight into the app. The front end will be covered by my colleagues here, which will introduce themselves. I am Alex Matalambana, and
I'm Nonela Kambola.
And Amonga copies.
they will cover the front end, and I will cover the procedures and the tables along with Yonela himself. Please start, sir.
Yes, so let me go through the buyer side. Then we'll go there to the fill out where we're gonna fill out the details about the buyer. Uh, Alright, let me put an email address and the seat, let's say it's staying posted. And here is a port 10 license. When we come to the fill out button, then we view all. As we can see here, the buyer ID number 4, which is staying at Cork State at code 10. And we move along to buy car, where we view all cars that we have on the store. And you can also search for your car that you want. Let's say you want a brand Nissan, then you can click search, then the list there will show, and you can use the car ID to purchase the car. Let's say you want to purchase car ID number 54 and submit. Then the message will show you that you ordered the car, and will come text you in 3 days. Then we move to request a spare part. You can view all the spare parts here that has been already ordered, and you can also place yours by adding your details here. Let's say I got a problem with engine. And I'm gonna put my details here so that they can be able to contact me. And my car, let's say I got a Nissan. And I'll come to this button add, and we're gonna show all. And there, spare part ID number 5 has been added, as you can see there. Then I would like to give it to Wonga so that he can carry on with the salesman.
What we have, sir, in salesman, we have register. In register, it's where you enter your first name here, where you enter your credentials, then your cell phone number, and you enter your email. And the city that you, let's say, what, then your password, and you press enter. Then you press show all, then it shows that you have registered. Then you press exit to go back to the main menu. Then it's where you can also log in, enter your employee number when you want to log in, and enter your password. And you enter login. Then the system will tell you that you have successfully logged in. Um, Back to salesman, you can also add a new car. Say the car inventory is 214, then the brand is BMW, and the model you can say just set for the price. Okay. Okay. Also its kilometers, let's say. Then you press enter. Yeah, so we can see here BMW Z4. Then you press exit to go back to the main menu. Continuing with salesman. Then you can also search the brands that we have by getting into inventory, and you enter the car that you want, let's say BMW, to search if do we have the car. As you can see that as you can see that BMW is on the we have BMW in our shop. Continuing with salesman, the last part is view price range. You can enter the car that you want to view the price range of. As you can see, the BMW starts at minimum 5,000. Sorry, I mean minimum at 2,000 rands and minimum at 5,000 rands. I'll pass back to my colleague Alex.
Oh yes, sir. To cover up the remaining time. Excuse me, sir. Um, anyway, just to cover up the remaining time, I'm just gonna go to the back end, and as I had said here, that these are the tables and these are the procedures. The tables are, as we had said, that these will be the admins, the people who will be logged in the system. The login will also work with the login button. The inventory also works with the inventory table as well. And the fill out registers the people who are filled in. Under registry, we also have the people that Mr. Kupus spoke about, where we register new people under the column of salesman, and heading um, into detail under stored procedures. We added there are simple parts, but these parts will be explained by Mr. Kambula, saying that he was the one who programmed these. However, I'll dive into the one that intrigued me most, which happened to be the one where you were able to capture and read the information from the database in order to log in the system. And as you can see, that the issue has been resolved as well, compared to last time where we didn't actually resolve the issue. And the other issue that we attended to was the sales. I think it was no, it was the spare part request because it could not render the contact number. I think I had added an extra feature or an extra text box input right here But I'll call Mr. Wonga right in a moment just to come explain the procedures where we add the, the components of the cars.
Uh, we go through the spare parts or go. Make a gag. Pause. Pause.
Please give us a moment as we try to pause this. Excuse the delay, sir. As he was saying.
We're gonna come here to all cars. Whereby we select all from cars. All the cars that we store from cars will be gonna selected and we're gonna be listed there. In this inventory part, you're gonna select all from inventory, and I would like to go through the spare part. You're gonna select all from the request spare part. You click the or show all button.
Otherwise, otherwise, Professor, I think we covered all the aspects that you had requested for, and I really hope we do satisfy your needs. Uh, Feel free to contact us from the personal email that we usually send details to, which is AL That's just personally mine. So, uh, please have a wonderful day, and if we did disappoint you, please excuse us. Thank you.
Have a good evening, sir. Prof.
Ted.